Hey, what's up everybody? So this is a video slash review on the Vantrue N4 dash cam, which is highly recommended for anyone that is a Uber, Lyft driver, or if you are looking for a way to protect yourself from getting unnecessary speeding tickets, red light camera tickets, which it definitely saved me in one situation for the red light camera. It records in the front of the vehicle, the inside of the vehicle, and the rear side of the vehicle. It's really important for Uber and Lyft drivers to have these, especially because if a customer or a rider is with you and let's say they claim sexual harassment or some type of, like, you made a comment that, they found offensive or whatever, this is what's going to save you. So obviously you can tell it doesn't take up a big part of your windshield. It does display all three things there now. I'm starting the car so you can see as it's starting up. Now we have our video going on here, and if you look closely to the top left, you will see the inside of the car. This is me holding the camera. The very center here is going to show you what's in front of your car. That's a garage right there. And the top right, you will see what's showing in the back of my car, which is a car that has a blue cover covering it. So basically all your buttons are up here. You don't really have to do anything. It automatically turns on. I know you see a wire right here. I decided not to have this hardwired with the battery, so I have it plugged in with what you would use to charge your cell phone in the car or whatever. The other really great thing about this is, I know it's daytime right now, but it has night vision, so even if it's, dark as it can possibly be at night, you can, the recording is crystal clear. You can see everything that it is recording in the car. And you can also see very well at night through the video there. So let's say it's dark, there's like hardly even any moonlight out or whatever, it's super overcast. You're still going to be able to see people's license plates very clearly on this, from the front, the back, and inside the vehicle. The night vision is probably one of the best features on this. It's very impressive. So anyway, I'll tell you about the story on how this saved me from my getting a red light ticket, a red light camera ticket. And so basically I wasn't looking at the light. I was adjusting the radio, and I guess the light was green for about 2 seconds. It was a left green arrow, and after it being green for 2 seconds, I went, and the second I started approaching the intersection, it turned yellow. And this is a Prius, so acceleration is not going to be, it's not like you're just going to zip right through the light coming from a standstill point. And I thought I almost got a red light ticket, and this recorded everything so that I was able to get out of it, even though I did see the flash, which is how the rear side of the camera caught the flash. The front side of the camera caught that I actually went when it was green. And I don't know where you are, like driving or anything, but a red light ticket is $550 in California. And yeah, that's a lot of money. Plus, you get the points on your license. So if you would like some more information on this, please feel free to check out the link in the description. It will show you where you can get it for the cheapest possible price, fast shipping, everything. And hope you guys found this video helpful. And thank you for watching. And please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.